Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are having a great day. Today we're unboxing the M4 MacBook Air, my new laptop. A bit of backstory. My old Lenovo laptop, despite being an expensive high-end touchscreen model, started exhibiting persistent screen flickering issues. It was a pricey model with a touchscreen, and while we got the issue fixed during the warranty period, the screen flickering returned a couple months later. Meanwhile, my mom has been happily using the Intel Core i7 MacBook Pro for about 5 years, and more recently the M1 MacBook Pro for over a year, without any issues. Given these circumstances, I have decided that now's the time to make the switch from the Lenovo to a more dependable option. I have chosen the M4 MacBook Air. Let's dive into unboxing and reviewing the brand new MacBook M4 Air. The box has the MacBook Air, a 2 meter or 78-inch USB-C to MagSafe 3 charging cable, and a compact 35-watt dual USB-C power adapter. You'll also find two paper inserts. One unfolds to show details about the ports, trackpad, Touch ID, and macOS basics. The other contains regulatory and safety info. It's minimal, but everything feels premium right out of the gate. Our unit comes in sky blue, one of 4 color options: sky blue, silver, midnight, and starlight. Midnight looks like black, and starlight looks like rose gold. Though be warned, sky blue often looks more silvery unless you catch it at just the right angle. The display is a beautiful 15.3-inch liquid retina with a 2880 by 1864 resolution at 224 pixels per inch and a standard refresh rate of 60 Hz. That may not sound flashy, but scrolling and visuals are still smooth and crisp. Under the hood, it's powered by Apple's new M4 chip, paired with 24 GB of unified memory and 512 GB of SSD storage. Plenty for multitasking, media, and productivity. On the left side, you've got a MagSafe 3 port plus 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports. And on the right, just a headphone jack. It's minimal but clean. The front-facing 12-megapixel camera supports 1080p HD recording and features center stage, which smartly follows faces during video calls using machine learning. Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 ensure speedy connections. Sound comes from 6 hidden speakers, cleverly positioned near the hinge. And although we couldn't pinpoint the microphone's exact location, audio input is impressively clear. The battery is rated for up to 18 hours, and in our usage, we found ourselves charging every couple of days. The backlit Magic Keyboard automatically adjusts its brightness based on ambient lighting and feels fantastic to type on. We're using the Mosiso Symmetric Geometric Heavy Duty Hardshell case. It's a durable, transparent two-piece case, top and bottom, so the sky blue color still shines through while providing solid protection. The case snaps on easily and stays secure without adding much bulk. The case also comes with a keyboard cover. There are two USB-A to USB-C adapters. This MacBook Air is stellar for daily tasks, whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, writing documents, editing photos, writing code, or even light gaming. Apps load quickly, performance stays snappy, and it handles multitasking with ease. For students, this laptop is especially useful. It handles coursework smoothly, allows for many tabs to be opened without lag, and the 15-inch screen makes split-screen multitasking a breeze. The text and UI never feel cramped, and information is displayed clearly. Apple also offers a student discount through their education store. If you're eligible, this can make the MacBook Air more budget-friendly, which is a great perk for students managing school expenses. Portability is another strength. The MacBook is thin and lightweight, making it easy to carry around, whether you choose the 13-inch or 15-inch model. The 13-inch version weighs just 2.7 pounds or 1.24 kilograms, and the 15-inch comes in at 3.3 pounds or 1.5 kilograms. Even with the larger screen, it still fits well in backpacks and leaves room for other essentials. While we show you us using the computer, let's talk about the laptop's flaws. Now, it's not perfect. Because the MacBook Air has a fanless design, it can start to overheat if you're using demanding apps like video editors or running games for long periods. This leads to thermal throttling, where the system slows down to manage heat. We haven't encountered this ourselves, but other users have reported it. If you're planning to use heavy software for extended periods, the MacBook Pro M4, with its fan-based cooling system, is a better fit. The fixed 60Hz refresh rate may also be a drawback if you're looking for ultra-smooth scrolling. The MacBook Pro offers a 120Hz adaptive ProMotion display, but it comes at a higher price. There's also no touchscreen, though for most users, including us, that's not a major issue. Fingerprint smudges stand out more on the midnight finish, so if you want a cleaner look, the other colors might be better options. Finally, the number of ports is limited. Just 2 USB-C ports and a headphone jack, without HDMI or an SD card slot. If you need more connectivity, you'll likely want to invest in a dongle or multi-port hub. While we're not trying to compare, our previous laptop, a Lenovo Yoga running Windows 10, was an older model with a larger touchscreen and a 2-in-1 convertible design, though we rarely made use of that feature. It was noticeably heavier and bulkier, and overall performance was slower. Apps tended to lag, battery life struggled to reach 2 hours, and the system often shut down unexpectedly when the battery was still at 20 to 30%. The MacBook Air M4 feels like a significant step up. Performance is noticeably smoother across the board, and even graphics-intensive games like Roblox run flawlessly at maximum settings, something the Yoga consistently struggled with. The camera and speakers are also top-notch for video calls and online meetings. Center Stage works beautifully to keep faces centered, and the mic picks up sound clearly, even though it's subtly built in near the keyboard. Some of the speakers are located in the gap underneath the hinge. Now it's time for the speaker test. That wraps it up. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends or family who are shopping for a laptop. Let us know in the comment what's your favorite laptop and why. See you in the next one.